Fish. I love to eat fish. Fish. Okay? Go. Time is up. Let me see your papers. Okay, well, Mr. Bean, 1 point. 1 point for Steven. Okay. The next word, okay, listen. Okay. Our next word is very easy. Paper. Paper. I have lots of paper. Paper. Go. Seven, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let me see your answer. Okay, 1 point for Jessica. Mr. Bean, let me see your answer. Oh, it's wrong. Okay, Steven, 1 point.
I was just saying, Ben, it's European word, okay? Right? Yeah.
Okay, now, last word for the qualifying round. 10?
Then,
Okay, the word is view.